Hello everyone, here I am Sasananda Sorangi, your English teacher. Welcome to my channel, The English Hub, makes English easy and lucid. As you know, I am doing short videos on noun series. In my last two videos, I have discussed two question sessions. In those question sessions, I have discussed about noun. Today also I am going to discuss a question session which related to quantifiers. As I have taught you what is quantifier, what are its uses. If you want to know about that, then you can go to my link and click on the noun series where you can get knowledge about quantifiers. So today I am come up with few questions which are related to quantifiers. So let's start. I have already written 5 questions. Each and every question I will deal with and I will also give you answers. Okay, let's start. The first question is, days mangoes are left in the basket. The options are few, a few, many. What would be the answer? The answer would be a few. Why? Because as I have told you that these both all of the quantifiers, they can be used before countable plural nouns. So mango is a countable and it is plural. Okay. So why I have used a few? Because a few is always indicates to some positive. And why I have not used many? Because as I have told you, many and much are used only in negative and interrogative sentences. Okay, next. The second question is, how does 1 liter of milk cost? The options are much, many. The answer would be much. Why much? Because as I have told you that much is used only before uncountable nouns. To make uncountable noun countable, quantifier much is used here. Then third question is, I would like dash cheese in my omelette. Few, little, a little. What would be the answer? The answer would be a little. As I have told you that little, a little, they are used before uncountable nouns. And what is the difference between little, a little? Little means positivity. Only little means negativity. A little means positivity, matlab you want, and little, only little means you don't want. It indicates to negative. So the answer would be a little. Then the question number 4. We played with dash, hope and determination. Much, many, some. The answer would be some. Most of you would be thinking much. Why I have used some? Because some is used both before countable and uncountable noun, and some is used for affirmation. When if yes, you can write much here, but much is used in case of negative and interrogative sentences, as I have told you. So here the answer would be, we played with some hope and determination. Next, the last question is, the boy was failed. He did not answer dash questions. So the options are much, many, few. The answer would be many. Because questions are countables. Okay. Now I have written another 5 type of question related to quantifier. In this 5 type of question, what we have to do? We have to first of all find out the quantifiers. whether they have used correctly or incorrectly. If they have used incorrectly, then we have to correct them. Let's start. The first sentence is I do not have many time left. I have to go to airport. So do you think there is some mistake? Yes, there is mistake. What is the mistake? The mistake is many. Here, many cannot be used. Then what we could use here? Here we can use much. Why we will use much here? Because time is uncountable noun. Okay, then question number 2. Can you pass me a water please? Do you find any mistake here? Yes, there is a mistake. A water. It is impossible. Then what would be the answer? A little water. Answer would be a little water. Okay, then the question number 3. My mother carefully checked how many groceries she had left. My mother carefully checked how many groceries she had left. Do you find any mistake here? Yes, there is a mistake. Many. Groceries is uncountable noun. So we cannot use many. So here we can use much. The question number 4. Most students will not be able to attend school today. Do you find any mistake here? Yes, there is a mistake. That is much. It would be many. Because students are countable nouns. Okay. Last but not the least, you could add any salt to make the dish delicious. You could add any salt to the dish to make it delicious. Do you get any mistake here? Yes, there is the mistake any. Any cannot be used here. Then what we are going to use here? A little. Why I have used a little? Because salt is uncountable noun. So I have discussed 10 questions, and in these 10 questions I have told you how to use quantifiers. One thing you should always remember, that much, many and any, these 3 quantifiers are always used in negative and interrogative sentences. If you like my English and if you think that my English will improve yours, do subscribe my channel, do like, share and comment, and I assure you all that slowly and steadily I will touch each and every part of English. I am also going to teach you how about writing skill. How can you improve your writing skill? Later on I will also teach how to speak good English. Thank you.